After harvesting, bottling can be a challenge. That's why we created the perfect solution. This is Honest Bee honey filling machine, designed for precision and ease of use. It features a clear digital display and an intuitive control panel. Let's see how it works. First, take the intake hose and simply place it directly into your bulk honey container. The filter at the end ensures that only pure honey is drawn into the machine. Next, take a certain amount of honey and inject to the hose. The food-grade components ensure the purity of your honey is always maintained. At the heart of our machine is a high-precision rotor pump. This gentle mechanism is specially designed for viscous liquids like honey, protecting its quality. It ensures a smooth and steady flow without introducing air bubbles. The anti-drip nozzle can be easily mounted on the included stand for convenient, hands-free operation. The machine is versatile and can be powered by a portable battery, perfect for on-site use at your farm. Using the keypad, you can precisely set your desired filling weight, for example, 500 grams. The integrated scale guarantees accuracy. Simply place an empty jar on the scale to begin. The machine fills automatically, stopping precisely at your preset weight. The anti-drip function ensures a cleaning process with no mess or wasted product. This allows for rapid, semi-automatic bottling, saving you valuable time and effort. You can process your entire harvest quickly and with incredible consistency. Notice the consistent filling level in every single jar. This machine is a game changer for beekeepers and small-scale honey producers. It saves time, reduces labor, and gives your product a professional finish. Look at the speed and efficiency. Bottling has never been this easy. The machine achieves a perfect 500-gram fill with a tolerance of just a few grams. It handles the honey gently, preserving its natural texture and taste. The entire process is clean, efficient, and requires minimal supervision. Upgrade your honey bottling process with our reliable and easy-to-use filling machine.